we're going to be learning about subtraction with regrouping. And I'm going to make an anchor chart with you guys. So I'm going to call you down to the carpet, and we're going to talk about what you guys know about subtraction. We're going to learn some new things, okay? All right, so let's see. Grayson's table, come on down to the carpet. Quickly, quietly, please. Sabrina's table, come down to the carpet. Nathan's table, come down to the carpet. Jackson's table. Hudson's table. Hey, come on. And Gage's table. Sit down, guys. Okay, guys. We're learning about subtraction with regrouping. What are some things that you guys know about subtraction?
Everybody's supposed to subtract.
What do we know about subtraction? Ava?
In subtraction, you can't put the bigger number on the bottom.
You can't put the bigger number on the bottom. That's good. Does anybody know anything else about subtraction? Keywords or anything? What are some keywords? Hudson?
Less than.
Less than. Dre?
About.
About. Okay. All right. So we're going to put some keywords for subtraction. Less than. What about minus? Is minus a word for subtraction? Yeah? What's the word for subtraction, McKinley? Difference. Good. That is a good word for subtraction. All right. With regrouping, it's kind of a little bit different. You can put bigger numbers on the bottom because you can borrow from the other numbers. So we're going to put borrow down here too, because that's what we're going to do with subtraction. So say I have a problem and it's 67 minus 59. Okay, bigger numbers on the bottom, right? So we're going to have to borrow from the tens place over here. So you're going to cross out this 7, and you're going to go next door to your neighbor. Say you don't have enough eggs. And if you don't have enough, you're going to have to go to your neighbor and borrow some. So you're going to go to your neighbor, which is the 6, and you're going to take away 1 10. So this 6 is going to become a 5. And the 10 that you borrowed from the 6 is going to come over here to the 7. So it's going to be 7 plus the 10 that you borrowed equals 17. So that 7 is going to become a 17 up here. Can anybody tell me what 17 minus 9 is? Nathan?
8.
8. Good job. 17 minus 9 is 8. And 5 minus 5 is what?
0.
0. So the answer for 67 minus 9 is 8. So I want you guys to quietly stand up. I'm going to teach you guys some motions for subtraction and regrouping. Okay? All right. So, motions for subtraction with regrouping. Put your hands up high like this. Okay. And then put your hand out like a stop sign. And crouch down on the floor. Okay. And then point this way. And then show 10. Okay. There's a rhyme that goes with that, and it's on the sheet that I gave you while you guys were reading earlier. So, more on top. Everybody say more on top.
More on top.
No need to stop.
No need to stop.
More on the floor.
More on the floor.
Go next door.
Go next door.
And get 10 more.
And get 10 more.
Alright, let's do it together. More on top.
No need to stop.
More on the floor.
Go next door. And get 10 more.
Alright, I'm going to call you guys back to your tables by grade. Once you go back to your table, or when you go back to your table, you're going to get a whiteboard quietly, and you're going to go get a marker, and we're going to sit down at our tables. We're going to practice some lessons on the smartboard, or practice some problems on the smartboard, okay? All right, so Parker, y'all can get whiteboards and markers. No, just whiteboards. We'll get markers. All right, next row, get whiteboards and markers. Quietly, please. Next row. Next row. Quietly, please. Alright, next row. And last straight for me. Alright, you guys get your seats. Get your seats. No drawing on whiteboard. Quickly, guys, come on, get back to your seats. Alright. Everybody 75. 75. Alright, we're going to work some out on the smartboard now. I'm going to turn it this way. Turn the anchor foot this way so you guys can see it. And we're going to do some problems on the smartboard. Okay, so we already did 67 plus 59. And I might put some bigger numbers on the top for you guys. Because you guys are smart. Y'all can figure these problems out. Alright, 86 minus 57. 86 minus 57. Never your rhyme. Or on top, no need to stop. Or on the floor, go next door. And when everybody has an answer, put your hand on top of your head. He's ready. Alright, everybody ready? Okay, let's go over it. So our bigger number's on bottom, right? So what do we have to do? Go next door. So we'll cross the 8 out. The 8 becomes a 7. Cross the 6 out. And the 6 that we borrowed, or the 10 that we borrowed from over here, is going to come to the 1's place. And that 6 is going to become a 16. So what's 16 minus 7? Gage? 9. And what's 7 minus 5, Annalise? 7 minus 5. Can somebody help Annalise? Kate? 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So your answer is 29.